Yeah, it sounds amazing. Let me think about it. I'll be right back. I just need 10 minutes. I've got something else to do. Let me talk to my wife first. Those are all stuff that a client might come up with when you cannot close him. 99% of the time, when a client of yours tell you that he will not come back. Isn't it a bit like every time it happens, it feels like you see your paycheck walking out the front door? Because it's pretty much what's happening. Personally, when I can't close a client, I'm getting so mad. I mean, the worst part is when you can't understand why you cannot close your client. The average salesperson will tell you something like, you couldn't have done better. You did your best. The client was just not ready to buy it. Well, I say fuck the average. If you want to get great at anything in life, stop blaming others for your own incompetence. That's with that mindset that I started looking for a course that would teach me how to close more sales. So I stumbled across a course named Sales Training, How to Close More Sales. It seemed pretty much what I wanted, so I bought it, and I haven't been disappointed at all. That course was so worth my money. Let me start my review by telling you that I'm just starting out, okay? So every bit of improvement that I make have quite a big impact on my results. Anyway, so right now I'm closing about 20 to 30% more than I was before I've watched that course. Considering I paid $15 for a 1.5-hour course, I think it's pretty fucking good. The part that made the biggest difference for me was the part on selling values and benefits rather than features. Of course, I already knew I had to sell benefits of my product rather than sell the features. But man, it's way harder than it looks like to really master selling benefits of the product. I thought I was doing it 100% of the time, but the truth is, most of the time I was not doing it, and when I was doing it, I wasn't really efficient at it. It makes a huge difference in your selling game. Sometimes, when I was sure I was selling the benefits, I was actually thinking I was actually selling the features and thinking the client understood the benefits behind of it. This section alone is about 30 minutes long, and if you think you could improve at selling the benefits rather than the features, I highly encourage you to take that course. Just for that 30 minutes long section, it's worth it. So the rest of the course covers how to build trust, how to be authentic, exercises, and book sections. I hated these sections. I mean, just imagine you buy an online course, and every 20 minutes you gotta read segments of the instructor's book. I mean, why don't you just explain that to me? If I wanted to learn selling through a book, I would have bought one. Anyway, the exercises. I liked the fact that Paul Anderson's, the instructor, took the time to build exercises. For most people, it really does help get a deeper understanding of the concepts and to memorize them. Now, the section on authenticity and building trust are interesting and would help most salesmen I know. But here, nothing more exceptional than you would expect from a $15 course, so I won't talk about that any more than that. So now, who would I recommend this book for? Like I kind of said already, if you want to learn more about selling the benefits and the results coming from your product, that course is amazing. Like I said, it's way harder than it looks like to get really good at selling benefits. So if you think you could improve, I would highly encourage you to buy that course. Like, if it only helps you make one single sale in the coming year, then you paid for that course. So now, if you already master selling benefits, like there's no way you can get better at it, then I would not recommend this course at all. Even if the author covers other things, considering your level, there are courses out there which will cover your needs more than this one. So if you want to buy this course, click the link in the description. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the subscribe button. That way you'll make sure you never miss one of our upcoming reviews. But until then, I wish you courage